Okay, we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to log into Clever, and that's going to be the primary way that you access iReady. And we also have some other programs we may get to through there also, like Studies Weekly, which is something we're going to start using for social studies, and maybe some of the science STEMscope stuff too. But first thing you do, and if you're already logged into Schoology, chances are when you click on it, it'll take you straight to your Clever account because it's the same login. We'll go ahead and click on it, and you're going to log in with Active Directory just like you do on Schoology. And I'll go ahead and pick have a student account here, which is your student ID at live.ccisd.com, and then your password, which is the same as your student ID. Sign in. And if you're the only one using a computer, you'd say yes, but if multiple people are using the same computer, you don't want to save, keep it on that page. It makes it harder for someone else to get on. And it takes you right to the Clever page. And iReady is probably already set as one of your favorites, and you can kind of look through there and see if there's any other things that you'd be interested in. Like a lot of people like typing.com and BrainPop and stuff like that, and those all have ways to access those. And if you want to move one of them to the top to your favorites, you can go ahead and just kind of click on the say if you like PBS Learning Media, you can click on that and it'll go ahead and put it up there. At the top for you, and it didn't show up for PBS Learning at the top right there. So if you don't have any more questions, I'll go ahead and stop video.